In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a header row in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and bring up the worksheet you want to work with. A header row is the row at the top of your data that labels each column. For example, if you're tracking inventory, your headers might be something like product, price, and stock. These labels make your worksheet much easier to read at a glance, and they also help Excel understand how your data is organized. Header rows are especially useful because they make sorting, filtering, and analyzing data much more efficient. Instead of looking through columns of values and guessing what each one means, you have clear labels at the top. This becomes even more important as your spreadsheet grows larger. Let's imagine you already have a small set of sample data in Excel with columns for product, price, and stock, and rows underneath for items like a laptop, mouse, keyboard, and monitor. If the first row contains those column labels, Excel can use that row as your header row. The recommended method for setting this up properly is to convert your data range into a table. First, select the entire range of data you want to work with, including the top row that contains your column names. Be sure your selection covers all the relevant columns and rows, because Excel will turn that selected range into a table. Next, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon and click Table. This opens the Create Table dialog box. In that window, you will see an option labeled My Table has Headers. Make sure that box is checked. This tells Excel that the first row of your selected range already contains the labels for each column, and that it should treat that row as the header row. After that, click OK. Excel will immediately format the range as a table. You'll notice that the first row is visually set apart as the header row, and filter drop-down arrows appear in each header cell. Those drop-downs make it easy to sort alphabetically, sort by number, or filter the data to show only what you need. Once the table is created, Excel officially treats that first row as your header row. This allows you to manage your data much more efficiently, especially when working with larger data sets. It also gives your worksheet a cleaner, more professional structure. And that's how to insert a header row in Microsoft Excel using the table method. It's quick, reliable, and one of the easiest ways to organize your spreadsheet for better readability and analysis.